Hi everyone, today we're looking at the Hot Wheels Overwatch set of 5. The design of each car is inspired by a different Overwatch character. This set was released in 2020 after the popular video game. We're going to take a closer look at them and then I'll choose my favourite. So let's get these unboxed. Power Pro, inspired by Tracer. Solid Muscle, inspired by Soldier 76. Power Panel, inspired by Reinhardt. MST Suzuka, inspired by D.Va. Baja, inspired by Roadhog. That was the set of 5 Overwatch cars. Overall, I'd say they're okay. I must admit, I don't know much about Overwatch. The choice of cars is not the most exciting to me. They're all Hot Wheels original designs, which are not my favourite. I also think the designs could have gone further. A few of them have only got small graphic representation of their characters on them. Anyway, that's what I think. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.